I'm not performing for anybody. I'm not setting up no camera and acting. It's not my personality.
And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good.
Hi guys, good morning. It is Sunday. I just came in from work. It's like 9 a.m. in the morning. Remember I told you guys that I work at night? Exactly. So I just got home. I wanted to just check in and start another vlog for this week. I'm gonna do some juicing. I picked up some stuff and I'm gonna do some juicing because I feel like my eyes have been looking very tired of recent. So I did my research on what type of juices to drink to get my glow back. Even though we all know it's water that give you that glow, always gonna be in my routine, but I just wanted something for like an extra boost. So I'm gonna do some juicing. I will see you in my next clip. I just came on camera to just quick check in, but I have to go because I hear something clicking at my door and I don't know what that is. So guys, welcome back to my vlog. I feel like every time I'm vlogging, I'm in the same place that you guys left me. If you have a problem with me being home and vlogging, then this channel is not for you because I'm an introvert. I'm always inside. First of all, I'm not performing for anybody. I'm not doing the performance. I'm not setting up no camera and acting. It's not my personality. What you see is what you get. So if you're into that, then you're welcome. But in any event, I just came from work. I am tired. I worked 8 to 8 last night. Well, 8 last night to 8 this morning, and I can't go to sleep right now. I have to stay up because I'm waiting on my package from Alo, and I'm gonna try to stay up, see if I can retrieve my package. What I was going to do was work out. My face is oily because I haven't washed my face since I came home, all that. What I was going to do was work out. I need to do that. I haven't worked out for this week as yet, so I don't think I'm gonna work out today. I'm probably gonna work out tomorrow, right? Get back on track because I've been eating crazy and I've been going to the bathroom a lot. I don't know if it's my metabolism speeding up or whatever. Also, I've been reading this book that I'm really enjoying. Sometimes I just like an easy read. I was reading a book before that, but it got very dark and it was just draining my energy, so I decided to switch to something more upbeat, something more fun. So that's what I'm reading. I think it's called Lucid Dreams or something like that. If you guys are interested in any other books that I'm reading, you can comment down below and ask, and I'll suggest some really good books to you. That's if you're interested. If not, you can just stay quiet and watch because that's what most of you guys are doing over here anyway. You hardly even talk to me. I feel like I'm talking to myself sometimes, but it's whatever. Anyways, so like I say, I'm waiting on a package from Alo. So I bought something from Alo because someone once said, when you are rewarding yourself, stop rewarding yourself with food. So I'm gifting myself something. So I went to Alo and I bought something for that reason. So I rather just buy something that I know that I want and something that I like. So I'm waiting on that package right now. After I get that package, I'm gonna try to go lay down and see if I can get some rest, or maybe not. We'll see. But hey, we're here. I have a couple videos to shoot. I'm gonna try to shoot those as well, and yeah, just checking in with the vlog. I will see you guys in the next clip. Just hope my camera don't fall down. I itching up on a little thing. But guys, recently I've been consistent in an area of my life. I wish not to share it because I tend to share stuff and then I fall off. So I've been super consistent in an area of my life and I decided to reward myself. Somebody once told me, don't reward yourself with food, you are not a dog. I agree. So anyways, I went to Alo and I got something for myself. So the thing that most people say about Alo when I do my research is that the quality is not worth it, it's cheap, but there's this baseball hat that I've been eyeing for a while and I got it, and it was for $64. But hear me out, some people might not want to purchase a hat for $64. I want to spend $50 on chocolate. If I can buy chocolate for $50, why I can't buy a hat for $64? But anyways, this is my hat. I was disappointed with the packaging because there was supposed to be a note. I don't see my note, but this is her. And the quality, I must say, it's given China, but what I love about it is the black of it. Oh my god, it's black. It's like midnight black, and you guys know I love a black. So how dope is this? I love it. It's so cute. It is so cute. It's gonna be my favorite baseball hat now. You guys know I love my little New York Yankee baseball hat. This is gonna be my favorite now because it's black and it's black. So freaking cute. I love it. I remember I wear a lot of wigs, I wear a lot of weave, you know, so on and so forth. I did a whole unboxing on TikTok. I don't know if I'm gonna upload it because I was looking a little bit raggedy, but I'm wearing my eye mask, by the way, so I might look a little bit rough. But this is what she's giving, and I just wanted to show you guys. But what do you guys think? I think it's cute. Anyways, just wanted to show you guys that. I will see you guys later. Bye. Guys, I literally just finished my morning workout and I so want to go lay down. Listen, that was a lot. Anyways, I really want to go lay down because I'm tired, but I'm gonna do some juicing because I ran out of ginger shots. So I have my little basket right here with my stuff that I'm gonna juice, and I'm about to also make a protein shake. So that's what we're gonna do. I know you see all the pots and the pans and all of that. Yeah, I'm in the kitchen. Anyways, let's get into it now because right now I'm about to I need some energy, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's make my morning protein. I didn't want a bunch of stuff in my protein this day, so I added some frozen strawberries and I put like 2 scoops of this Premier protein powder in the blender along with some peanut butter. Hate this peanut butter because it's oily. I don't really like the taste of it, but that's what I have, so that's what I use. Then I'm gonna put some chai seed in there for, you know, my fiber intake. I put some almond breeze, almond milk, and then I just blended it. But I totally forgot to put ice, so I had to put the ice in there, and I started to blend it again. So it came out nice and thick, just like me. Nice, thick, creamy, just like me. Anyways, this is the texture of it, but my measurement was on point because I made the exact amount, so I wasn't wasteful. So yeah, that's how I make my protein shake in the morning without the excess of ingredients. So that's it. So let me taste it and give you guys my reaction. I'm still sweating. You see, that's the beauty with lifting weights. You're still burning fat after you finish. But anyways, so this is my shake. It's good. It tastes like the one that I usually get at the gym. It usually takes me the whole day sometime to finish this because the taste can be very, I guess, annoying after a while. While sipping this, gonna wash up some dishes, wash out the blender, clean up back, and then I'm gonna make my juice. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. Guys, remember a few clips back I told you guys that my skin look a little bit dull and I was gonna do some juicing to help with that. So that's what we're doing here. We're just prepping. So for my face, or the juices that I use for my skin, cucumber is great when it comes on to hydration. Everybody know that water is good for hydration, but cucumber in that area is also great for your hydration, along with aloe vera. So for my cucumber juice, I'm just gonna use like 1 green apple, cucumbers, maybe some ginger. In all my juices I put ginger in there. I'm a big advocate for ginger, okay? So I put apples, ginger, and I think I put a lime in there. Yes, I put a lime. Listen, you can use lemon if you want, but I wanted to use lime, so that's what I put in my whole hydration drink. We're gonna call this a hydration drink. So I wash all my fruits and veg and I just prep them. Beets, from a beet shot, I usually just use beets with ginger, and I might put some pineapple in there for a little taste. I was showing you guys the inside of the beet. The beet is so pretty that was. I know red it stained my hand, that to show you that it's good for your blood. Anyways, we're juicing. I think this is my ginger shot. Yeah, so for my ginger shot I use ginger, lime, and a piece of pineapple that I had left over. So that's basically what it looks like after I was done. So I take a shot of this in the morning. The pineapple is very sweet, so watch the sugar intake when it come onto the pineapple. This is for hydration. So I did that, which is my cucumber and my ginger, lime, and what else? I think I put a little piece of the pineapple in that too. Anyways, that came out green, so this is for my hydration. I got 2 of these because, you know, cucumber hold a lot of water, so I got 2 bottles of those. So that was great. All of this juice is done, by the way, just in case you guys are wondering. So yeah, we're gonna also make some beets. So I put beets, ginger, and I think I put a little bit of pineapple in there, or not, I don't know. But anyways, look, red, gold, and green. If you're from Jamaica, you know. If you know, you know. Red, gold, and green. Those are the colors of the motherland, which is Africa. I just finished shooting a video. Oh, I wanted to show you guys jewelry that I got recently from my mom. So look at this, guys. Hold on. I forgot to show you. So my mother gave me this necklace. It's like real white gold diamonds. Look at that. Guess who bought this for my mom? My dad. And she gave it to me because she said she's not wearing jewelry like that anymore. So she gave this to me as a memorabilia. And then look at my wrist. She gave me this Pandora bracelet too that someone gifted her. And you can see that this is the older version compared to mine, which is the newer version. So yeah, this is gonna look so tea when I wear it. Look at that. This is gonna look so cute when I wear it out. I have the perfect outfit to wear with that. But yeah, I just finished shooting a video. I am going to eat now. This morning, I'm so proud of myself. This morning I decided that look, I'm gonna shoot some content, and I was gonna lazy out, you know, and I was like, you know what, Nakisha, let's do this because you made a promise to yourself. So that's what I did. I got my black ass up and I did what I needed to do, and now I have the rest of the day for myself. I can edit later, but yeah, I'm gonna find something to eat. My mother says she's gonna make some callaloo, so I might get some callaloo with like saltfish or something. Yeah, I haven't really been eating meat, so that's good. And I've been on the toilet every single day, so that's also good. But in any event, I'll see you guys later. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Anyways, bye guys. See you later. You guys know over the weekend we had a snowstorm in New York, and it gave me the energy I needed to clean out my makeup vanity. So that's basically what it looks like right now. Pour everything on top of the table, clean out the drawer, put the space savers back. This is the after effect. Everything is arranged. My foundation, powder, eye makeup, blushes, everything have their own home, including my skincare. I arranged those as well. And this is what everything looked like after I put them back. That's me in that picture when I was graduating high school. But in the event, I just wanted to show you guys that. I feel super proud of myself. I also arranged one of my drawer because after that I was still like energized. So I had this drawer just messy, and I just arranged it with all my tops and stuff. I still have like 4 different drawers to go through, but at least I did one of them, so that's good. So I was just showing you guys that, and that's basically it. That's what I did this week and over the weekend. I hope this video influenced you to do some arranging as well. And until next time, remember to take care of yourself. It's your girl Nakisha. Bye.